Hello, everyone. My name is John Howe-Wemett. I'm the financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, and this is another installment of John's Top Tips. Today, I would like to talk to you a little bit about your tax refund. If you're fortunate enough to get a tax refund this year, I want to talk a little bit about how you can best deploy it. It seems like our tax refunds are getting smaller and smaller every year if we're even getting a tax refund. So it's important to make smart, conscious decisions about how we're using those funds. It can be very tempting to just go out and buy something that we want, or that we can kind of trick ourselves into thinking that we need. But just remember, this isn't free money. This is money that essentially you should have had, that without the withholding of your taxes would have been in your pocket already, that you would have deployed otherwise. Essentially, it's a repayment of an interest-free loan that you gave to the government for the duration since from the time that they took the money out of your paycheck until you get that check for your refund. So it is your money. Don't think of it as found money or money that's just kind of from nowhere. It is your money that you're being paid back. First step, though, if we're thinking about what we should do with our refund, is to consider whether we have any high interest debt that we should potentially pay down. High interest debt is usually personal loans and credit cards. These interest rates can be anywhere from 10 to 20 to maybe even 30%. And those are going to be the places that we want to tackle first, because they are essentially causing us the largest deduction to our overall net worth. From there, it's a little bit more of a tricky decision because it's not always the best solution to pay down our debt. If you want a little bit more insight on that, check out the blog. I'll link it for you guys. So we want to be very thoughtful about what our next step is from there. It might be paying down more debt, or it might be figuring out where to save next. Because one of the nice things about some saving choices is that we can take an additional tax deduction for some of them, and they have the opportunity to grow over the future. We do have a savings hierarchy that we use with our clients here at Generation Capital Management. If you're interested in finding out more about that, or if you just want to talk to me about optimizing your savings, debt pay down, anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is jhow@gencapmgmt.com. You can also visit our website. We have a ton of great resources there, www.gencapmgmt.com. Again, my name is John Howe-Wemett. I'm the financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, and this was another episode of John's Top Tips. Take care.